Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around this brand new Land Rover Range Rover P400 HSE. This vehicle features a 3-litre petrol engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Eiger Grey. Let's start our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we will find the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, along with image projection ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead, along with increased road presence. Cascading on the sides, the stylish features are continued as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 22-inch alloy wheels. To the rear, you'll see your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of the rear LED tail lights. Within the cockpit of this vehicle, you'll see your fully multifunctional leather steering wheel in your absolutely spectacular Caraway perforated semi-aniline leather. You'll see your fully digital display with your heads-up display, which can demonstrate your speed. Advancing over to your 13.1-inch PV Pro touchscreen, which is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay. Spectacular specific detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your 360 parking aid and your 3D surround camera, ensuring utmost confidence when parking and navigating this large vehicle. You'll see your 20-way heated and ventilated electric memory front seats, which you can fully power recline from within your entertainment screen, as well as your heated and cooled seat functions and massage functions, which again both driver and passenger can tailor to these to their own individual preferences. And to finalise our journey, we look up to see your clear sight interior rear view mirror, which again will ensure utmost confidence when parking this vehicle, as well as your fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which is going to engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the brand new Land Rover Range Rover P400 HSE, which we now have available here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.